many gifts in the fridge! They must spoil quickly! Or maybe this is a prank by my sister! Siblings love each other very much, but they also love Christmas pranks. Watch funny holiday sibling pranks in our new video. Aw, my brother was waiting for the New Year's fireworks for so long that he fell asleep. Let's wake him up gently. I turn on a recording of fireworks on my phone. Whoa, what an explosion of emotions! Brother is running to the balcony to watch the fireworks. Hurry up, you'll miss it! And I quickly close the door from the inside. Oops, it was an accident! Of course there aren't any fireworks outside. It's freezing cold, a snowstorm, and negative 20 degrees. Let me out! Okay, fine. Come in, snowman. Did you like the weather? It's refreshing, isn't it? My sister loves sugary foods. What should I have? Oh, cookies! Amazing! What's that smell? And it tastes weird. Oh, I feel really sick. This is a Christmas miracle. The most delicious thing is waiting for you where you expect it the least. For example, on a toilet. Are these actually the same cookies? Oh no! Gosh! Call an ambulance right now! My friend came over. Have some cookies. Wow! So spicy! Roll out pre-made cookie dough and sprinkle it with spicy curry. Add garlic powder. Mix the dough. Make cookies using cookie cutters. Bake for 10 minutes in an oven. Coat the ready cookies with gold edible pearl dust. It's so hot! The brother thinks his sister might be behind this, and the sister is sure this is her brother's prank. Here they go again! Don't! This is your friend's prank! I got you! The enemy of my enemy is my friend! Good job! Someone cooked a luxurious holiday dinner and totally forgot about her brother. What is this delicious thing? That's none of your business. How rude! I can cook a tasty dish too! A salad in a party popper. Cut the top off a balloon. Tie a knot. Pull the balloon onto a short foil tube. Fasten it with tape. Make a cap for the party popper out of a bigger tube and a cardboard circle. Wrap the party popper in decorative paper. Fill it with lettuce. Now my sister will get a boost of vitamins. Aim, fire! What a great green face mask! Hey, sister, get excited! I have a present for you! Ooh, for me? How nice! Are these chains? Well, this gift wrap is pretty secure. I tried hard. Now open it! The keys don't work. My strength doesn't help either. What is in here? Oh, it can't be true! An iPad? I'll go get a machete. She is so gullible. Here are the keys, but she will have to take them out of water. A glass trick has never let me down. Turn it over and remove the sheet. Try to get the keys out of this fish tank. Are you kidding me? Fine. I know a magic trick too. Boom! Boom! And the water is in the bowl. What were you afraid of? And finally, my gift! I waited so long for you! My iPad! Come on, open up! What? Is this a cactus? But how come? Thanks a lot, brother! Are you ready, sister? I'm always ready, brother! Chocolate Santa Clauses with surprises inside are on the line. Let's test our luck. Let's start our game of Russian roulette. Take foil off a chocolate Santa Claus. Put a carrot in it instead. Fill a syringe with spicy chili ketchup and fill the chocolate Santa with it. Carefully wrap the foil. Your turn, brother! Easy! Here's my Santa Claus! He is so spicy! That's all right. I'll make a sandwich out of it. But I won't lose. It's your turn now! Oh yeah! Let's see! A carrot? Just a carrot? That was easy! Time to turn this Santa into a salad. The game continues. Oh, that was spicy! Brother wins! His last Santa Claus was made out of the finest chocolate. He is so lucky. My brother is always stealing my tangerines. I'll have to teach him a lesson. Carefully cut the tangerine rind and take off a half. Separate one clove off a garlic bulb. Peel it and coat it with orange food coloring. Put the clove into the tangerine instead of a fruit segment. Cover it with the rind. Here it is, my tangerine trap! Of course you can have some! This is all for you! Haha, I got him! But he heroically eats the garlic. His reputation is super important. I'm going on a date, and the guy is coming soon! By the way, I could use my brother's gift. It's a new EOS. Take an empty EOS container apart so that the grid is on the cap. Pour in water and freeze it. Wrap a ribbon around it. My lips could do with some moisture. Oh no! Help! I'm frozen! That looks pretty bad. Hello, Snow Queen! The date is canceled. And here's a present for my beloved brother. Open up my magical box. Draw 4-inch squares on a sheet of cardboard. Cut off the squares in the corners and bend along the lines so you get a box. Cover it with wrapping paper. Make little cuts in the sides and stick an elastic ribbon in them from the outer side. Hot glue the end of the ribbon. Join the opposite sides with the ribbon. Assemble the box. Decorate the sides with Christmas pictures. Attach a toy. Turn the box over so that the toy is inside. Put in confetti. Fold up the box and cover it with the lid. Tie a ribbon around it. Surprise! So what? Whoa, the box jumped! Look at all this confetti! Awesome! I really like it! Seriously? I was expecting a different reaction. My brother loves hot cocoa with marshmallows. That's great! But this year, I'll color the marshmallows. Otherwise, they are way too pale. Nice! A few red marshmallows to match the colors of Christmas. And here is my brother. Have some hot cocoa. I made it just for you. Is this cocoa really safe to drink? All right. More marshmallows. My brother is wolfing them down. And now, let's take a Christmas selfie. Hey, hang on. What happened to my teeth? Am I a vampire? Oh, sister. Hey, what's all this mess? Why aren't the decorations ready yet? Is the fireplace falling apart? Is the Christmas tree sad? I specifically asked you to do everything beforehand. How can I still call you my brother after that? That's it. You know what? I've had enough. Get out and don't come back. I see. My sister is hormonal. She is always in a bad mood before that time of the month. But I prepared a useful accessory for her. Pad slippers. Attach a strip of decorative paper to a pad. Take another pad and shape slippers. Decorate with a bow on top. There you go, sister. And don't be anxious. You are ready for anything. Huh? Well, brother, you'll regret this. My sister wanted to meet Santa so badly that she fell asleep under the Christmas tree. And finally, here is her gift. What? Is it Christmas already? And who brought this giant box? Did you see? It must have been Santa. What's in it? What? The only thing in this huge box is a card? What does it say? Rosie, you are adopted! You are not actually my sister! Oh, sister, don't be sad. Or maybe you are not my sister anymore? So sad! Christmas is ruined! But I prepared a nice money present for you. But apparently, we aren't family. Did you like our Christmas pranks? Then comment below if you have siblings and how you prank them on Christmas. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny pranks from Troom Troom.